Hidden inside every luxury watch are hundreds of microscopic parts, assembled with astonishing precision. But creating a masterpiece like this takes far more than machines. It demands centuries of craftsmanship, relentless innovation, and an unwavering pursuit of perfection. This is the extraordinary story of how luxury watches are made. High in the Swiss Alps, precision, tradition, and innovation unite to create some of the world's finest luxury timepieces. Every masterpiece begins in an environment where even microscopic dust is carefully controlled. Advanced CNC technology shapes each component to astonishing tolerances measured in microns. Premium stainless steel is transformed into components of extraordinary precision. Every gear must mesh flawlessly, ensuring decades of reliable performance. Automation protects each delicate component before it reaches the hands of master craftsmen. Technology delivers precision, but true excellence still depends on human expertise. Synthetic ruby bearings reduce friction, allowing the movement to perform with exceptional efficiency. The beating heart of the watch. With its first precise heartbeat, the movement transforms from engineered components into a living masterpiece of horology. The journey from raw metal to luxury timepiece begins under immense pressure. Micron-level machining creates the foundation of the watch. Hours of hand polishing create the signature luxury shine. The dial receives the distinctive sunburst finish that defines its character. The hands are installed with tolerances invisible to the naked eye. Sapphire crystal provides exceptional clarity and scratch resistance. The handcrafted strap completes the watch's elegant character. After hundreds of precision operations, a luxury mechanical masterpiece is finally. Every luxury timepiece must first prove its precision in a laboratory where accuracy is measured to fractions of a second. Its movement is tested in multiple positions to ensure consistent performance. In every environment, each seal is tested under pressure to ensure exceptional water resistance and lasting durability. Controlled shock testing confirms the movement can withstand the demands of everyday life. The automatic rotor is carefully evaluated to ensure smooth, efficient winding with every movement of the wrist. Every rigorous examination, the watch receives its official certification of excellence. Prepared with the same care devoted to its creation, the finished watch is ready for its new owner. Seamless craftsmanship. Every luxury watch embodies hundreds of precision operations, generations of expertise, and an unwavering commitment to perfection. Every luxury watch receives a unique identity, engraved with precision to mark its place in Swiss watchmaking history. Even the hidden components are decorated with traditional finishes that celebrate centuries of craftsmanship. Master watchmakers, where perfection is achieved through patience. Each jewel bearing is carefully inspected to minimize friction and maximize reliability. Determine the remarkable accuracy of the finished timepiece. Extended endurance testing confirms the movement can deliver a dependable power reserve. Inside the movement, hundreds of precision components work together in flawless mechanical harmony. By generations of master craftsmen. More than a timekeeping instrument, every luxury watch is a lasting expression of precision, artistry, and timeless elegance. The bracelet is crafted with the same uncompromising precision as the movement itself. Every individual link is assembled by hand to ensure exceptional comfort and durability. Even the clasp reflects the same commitment to precision and craftsmanship. Professional photography captures every refined detail for collectors around the world. Every image is carefully reviewed to present the watch exactly as it was crafted. Presentation reflects the same attention to detail found within the timepiece itself. From the factory floor to the showroom, every step preserves the integrity of the finished masterpiece. Now ready to begin a new chapter, the watch awaits the collector who will carry its store. The journey from factory to collector reaches its most personal moment as craftsmanship meets its future owner. For the first time, the precision of Swiss engineering becomes part of everyday life. Mechanical harmony. Centuries of tradition continue to inspire today's most advanced watchmaking technology. Many components are manufactured to tolerances measured in only a few microns. Every movement of the wrist quietly replenishes the watch's stored energy. Built to last for generations, a luxury mechanical watch becomes part of life's most meaningful. Raw materials, patience, the movement is carefully rebuilt to its original perfection. Fresh lubricants minimize friction and ensure smooth performance for years to come. Following service, every watch must once again prove its remarkable precision. Restored to its original brilliance, the timepiece is ready to accompany its owner for many more years. Across cultures and continents, the language of exceptional craftsmanship remains universal. Collectibles whose value grows with time. Museums preserve these masterpieces, celebrating centuries of innovation and artistry. Hidden beneath the dial, hundreds of components work together to transform stored energy into precise, reliable timekeeping. More than measuring time, a luxury watch quietly accompanies life's most meaningful moments. Its greatest value lies not only in its craftsmanship, but in the memories it carries across generations. Before leaving the manufacturer, every timepiece receives one final confirmation of its exceptional precision. Its journey through craftsmanship is complete, and its journey through time is about to begin. Protected with extraordinary care, each watch begins its journey to collectors around the globe. From Switzerland to every corner of the world, precision travels without compromise. Attention to detail found within the watch itself. For its new owner, the experience begins with a moment of anticipation and admiration. Whether marking ordinary days or unforgettable milestones, the watch remains a faithful companion through every chapter of life. Even after countless hours of operation, its mechanical heart continues beating with remarkable precision. From the Swiss Alps to wrists around the world, every watch carries a story forged through patience, skill, and timeless craftsmanship. In every precise heartbeat, a luxury watch reminds us that while time never stands still, true craftsmanship is timeless. Hopefully you enjoyed my small effort to bring you this remarkable documentary. Like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.